Anuj is joining in now for a quick trade setup. Anuj, hi, good morning. It's, all guns blazing. Markets are doing well. India is doing amazing and in cricket. So no complaints.
Absolutely no complaints, Sonia. And, the only worry sometimes we have is if you're peaking too soon. But I don't think that is the case. But anyway, let's look at the trade setup. I think the Nifty has made a new series high. And normally when you do that, right after the first week, you have a trending series because the market tested the lows and the market defended that and moved on. So now the market will move on the other side. Now, there was this fall from 19,800. So there are two levels to watch. First is the 50% retracement zone, which comes in at 19,334. And then the 66% retracement, which comes in at 19,493. If you sustain about 19,493, then my sense is you can go back to even 19,800. SBI's numbers look quite strong. So it's possible that that could fire the bank Nifty today. Also, the global Q is looking very strong, especially the way US bond yield has collapsed. It was at 5%. It's come crashing down to 4.58%. And that's led to that big move in Dow Jones. Now, if you look at the domestic setup, what's very interesting is the kind of move that we are beginning to now see from FIIs in index futures. Because when we started the series, we were at 90% short. Now, on Friday, there was buying of 1,000 crores, and that was evenly divided between Nifty and the Bank Nifty. The next page would show that Nifty, there was buying of 535 crore, and Bank Nifty, there was buying of 479 crore. And if you look at the open interest change, on the Nifty, there was an open interest cut of 3.5%, and on the Bank Nifty, open interest cut of 6%. What's that telling you is that there's short covering which is happening now from the FIIs. That's more visible in the next plate. If you look at the longs and shorts, they've added 3,800 longs and they've cut 9,200 shorts. So net, there was a cut of 13,000 short positions. We were at 1.8 lakh contracts, almost all-time high net shorts. That's come down, even in percentage terms, from the peak of almost 90% short, we're now down to 82% short. And 82% is still heavily short. So there's a good chance that after today's gap up, there's more short covering. Purely in terms of levels to watch for today, the first resistance is 19,423, which is your 20-day simple moving average is placed. Then, of course, 19,515 going by this week's options contract. On the lower side, the support after gap up would be 19,230, which is Friday's close, and then 19,130 based on the put options. I think the Bank Nifty can be very interesting from here. Till now, the Bank Nifty is underperformed, but first signs that the Bank Nifty could be beginning to outperform from here came on Friday. The Bank Nifty reclaimed the 200-day moving average and closed above that. And it's possible that it now leads the next round of rally from here on.
Okay, well, Anuj, thanks very much for that.